Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do a quick oil change. Don't drink it. Engine run on idle speed for 10 minutes. Drain oil, change oil filter and refill with fresh oil of high quality. Alright, it will be average quality. 10 minutes. I'm using a small filter and I was using a cheap tool like that. You know, you put it on, and after 2 tries on this car I just gave up and I ordered a tool like that. It fits pretty well, and because there is a very limited space at the bottom where the filter is, the much better is this. And the filter is here. I don't think extension was even necessary, but probably was. Alright. What? I'm finding the first problem already. It's sliding somehow. Oh, the garbage! 16 pounds, a set of these. Maybe this one will do the job. It moves! 14. Alright, we're draining that. Right, I will let it drain for another couple of minutes. Move that filter out. It's moving slowly. Alright, I got it. Put some oil on it. Alright, 3/4. 2. I don't know what have you missed, but I've bolted the bolt. What I'm gonna do now, I think I'm maybe gonna find a bottle. I have a bottle here, and I'm gonna use it. Yeah, it would be just great. This is least sharp knife. Right, let's pour it. Alright, it went pretty fast. Now also my car is lifted, It's almost already full. I don't think I will add any more, at least for now. I'm gonna spin it and wait till tomorrow. You barely can see it on the stick. Just starting here. I think it's just right. Oh, me, today is Thursday. I'm gonna install radio probably. So yeah, I'll see you next time installing the radio.